Dear students, previous class we have discussed about business environment meaning, definition, nature and importance of business environment. Today let's discuss the types or elements of business environment. Business environment means the aggregate of internal and external environmental factors which are affecting on the functioning of the business is called business environment. Types or elements of business environment, mainly two types of business environment. First one is internal environment, another one is external environment. This is the picture of business environment types or elements. See, internal and external environment. Internal environment factors: mission and objectives, organizational structure, corporate culture, quality of human resources, labor unions, physical resources, and technological capabilities. Then, external environment mainly dividing two categories. One is micro environment, another one is macro environment. Micro environment factors: organization, customers, competitors, market, suppliers, and intermediaries. Then macro environment factors: economic environment, political and legal environment, technological environment, global or international environment, socio-cultural environment, and demographic environment. Let's have present the internal environment. Internal environment, this is the one of the type of business environment. Internal environment refers to all the internal forces and conditions present within the company which can affect the company working. It means the internal forces and conditions within the company or inside of the company, those are factors affecting a inside of the companies. So internal environment factors which are controllable in the nature, because the company has a control over them and determine the potential of a company. It's a inside of the company, that purpose the controlling the in nature controllable factors. Then internal environment factors. Internal environment factors: first one, vision, mission and objectives. Vision, mission and objectives of the company guide its priorities, philosophy, policies, etc. Those are company's purpose. Vision means a company long-term goal. It helps for the objectives achieve the long-term goal of the vision. Then organizational structure. Organizational structure, it's also corporate structure. The activities of the working factor and control the member of performance. So we are mainly organizational structure dividing a functional, divisional, matrix, plot or horizontal. Those are examples of the organizational structures. Then corporate culture or organizational culture. The corporate culture consists of all the policies of the organization, norms of organization, working language of organization, systems of organization, symbols of organization. Those are corporate culture. Then show the symbol of organization. Then human resources. Human resources, those are resources helps for the company. The quality of human resources of a company depends on largely on competence, commitment, attitude and motivation of the employees. Those are human resources of the employees. Then physical resources and technology. Physical resources and technology, the production capacity, technology, research and development, work, distribution of logistic, these are etc. are the factors the influence functioning of and competitiveness of the firm. The physical resources helps for the internal environmental factors. Those are company produce production goods. These are internal environmental factors inside of the company or within the organization. Then external environment. Second one is external environment. It means external environment or outside the environment. External environment refers to the external aspects of the surrounding which have influence on the functioning of the business, and they are uncontrollable in nature. They are uncontrollable in nature. It means the external aspects are surrounding of the environment, those are influencing on the outside of the organization. Then which are factors we cannot controllable in nature, because uncontrollable in nature, so those are surrounding of the business enterprises which have influencing on the outside of the business. That purpose we cannot control the are uncontrollable in nature, those factors. External environment factors, mainly we are dividing two types or two categories of environment. One is micro environment, another one is macro environment. Micro environment means the factors or elements in a firm immediate environment which affect its performance and decision making. It means the micro environment, or it's also known as task environment, comprises with the immediate environment which affect the performance and decision making. So those factors influence on performance and decision making of the company. Then micro environment factors, suppliers, competitors, marketing intermediaries, customers and public. Where I have, let's explain the one by one. Suppliers. Suppliers are the people who supply inputs to the business. Suppliers are the responsible for the helping a business meet to the business demands. Those suppliers supply the raw materials of company and components of the company. Those suppliers is an important role in the micro environment. Then second one, competitors. Competitors are an important role of the business, because a company competitor strategy, when they carefully analyzed, become an opportunity. So competitors activity of the business adjust the according to the actions and reactions of the competitors. In this may improve our business activity of the organization. Then third one, marketing intermediaries. So marketing intermediaries, every business entrepreneurs is a assisted marketing intermediaries. So marketing intermediaries, those are a flow of goods and services from producers to end users. They are including mainly where marketing entrepreneurs, agents, distributors, wholesaler, retailers, etc. Then customer is very important factor of the micro environment, because they are customers important for the business. Business is very much influenced by the customers, taste and preference of the customers. So customers highly influenced as the central point of the every business. So inside market we have said customer is a king of market, is it? So the business largely depends on identifying the needs, desires, taste and preference of the customers. Then last one, public public a group of the people is public. Then we have potential interest in the business as its impact on the business. The growth of consumer group may affecting the working of the newly depending of the business. So our public is the satisfy the public. The organizations mainly satisfying the public of the people. Then macro environment. Macro environment means another one is external environmental factor. Macro environment means a macro environment is a set of external conditions that affect a business development efforts either positively or negatively. Those elements are considered uncontrollable and they have an impact in the company overall performance. It means macro environment is uncontrollable factor because it's a overall company performance depend on macro environment. It may be positive or negatively. Then macro environment factors mainly economic environment, socio-cultural environment, political environment, legal environment, technological environment, demographic environment, natural environment, global or international environment. We can discuss the next class those macro environmental factors. Thank you.